My name is Melissa A. Mitchell. I am from Miami, Florida, and I've been in Atlanta for 11 years, and I am an artist. So we're actually sitting in my favorite place to recharge. I love EB Fresh, not only because of the owners and the entire team here. It's like a family, but just the feeling in the building, it's a natural recharge. So whether it's getting a veggie pedicure, getting a really rejuvenating facial, or a recharging massage, it's a place where I know that I can come here and get the recharge that I need. Recharge is usually on Wednesday. That's the day I get the special for the massage. Or on Tuesdays, get my mani and pedi, but they have specials every day. So I know the day of the week usually kind of steers what I'll be doing when I come to EB. Usually they have events on the weekend, so it's like a little marketplace. So young entrepreneurs or designers or people that are trying to get their business out here, the owner actually allows people to come in and sell items. So whether it's getting precious gemstones from a spiritualist, or trying to get a dress from the Onion, or just a new entrepreneur with a candle line, there's always somebody new here to meet. So I definitely try to come by on Saturdays and Sundays when I can.